In this video, we'll show you how to manage change orders without headache and keeping clients happy with 123 Works. Every builder faces change orders from client while working. If it is not managed properly, then cause headaches. Builders handle change orders through texts or calls. The result? Lost approvals, missed costs, and arguments. Poorly managed change orders don't just cause stress, they drain profits, delay schedules, and client trust. Builders need a digital process that tracks every change, approval, and cost adjustment automatically. The first step is to centralize. 123 Works keeps all change requests in one location. With 123 Works, clients can review and approve change orders with a single click. Fast and simple. When a client approves a change, 123 Works instantly updates your job cost, budget, and estimate. Once approved, it notifies all relevant team members, so your crew, office, and subcontractors stay aligned. With 123 Works, you never lose track of what changed, when, and who approved it. Every action is timestamped. When clients can see every approved change and related cost, trust grows. Builds stronger relationships. For builders, automated change management saves time and protects profit margins. You stay organized. 123 Works brings it all together, from change requests to client approvals and cost tracking. If you're ready to simplify change orders, reach out to us today. Visit 123works.com, call us now. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And please visit links in description for more.